Did you know that 80% of New Year's resolutions crumble before February? We set our sights high but often fall back into old habits. Why does this happen? It's not about willpower alone. We often lack the right strategies to stay motivated and overcome obstacles. Achieving your goals is entirely possible. It's about small, consistent steps that lead to remarkable results. Think of it like building a muscle. You wouldn't expect to bench press double your weight on the first try, right? With the right approach, you can transform how you pursue and achieve your goals. Let's ditch the idea of motivation as something you just have or don't have. Motivation is not a magical trait, it's a skill you can cultivate. One effective way to boost motivation is to break down large goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the journey less daunting and allows you to celebrate small wins along the way. These small victories fuel your motivation, creating positive momentum. Another powerful technique is to find an accountability partner or join a supportive community. Sharing your goals and progress with others can provide encouragement and help you stay committed. When you know someone is cheering you on, you're more likely to stay the course. Develop strategies that keep you moving forward, even when motivation wanes. We all have them, those pesky obstacles that sabotage our progress. Procrastination whispers sweet temptations, while self-doubt whispers doubts about our abilities. Procrastination often stems from fear of failure or feeling overwhelmed. We put things off, hoping the discomfort will disappear. But procrastination only adds to our stress in the long run. Self-doubt feeds on our insecurities, convincing us we're not good enough. This negative self-talk can be paralyzing. The good news is, we can fight back against these inner goal crushers. One effective strategy is the 2-minute rule. If a task feels overwhelming, commit to doing it for just 2 minutes. Often, this is enough to break through the initial resistance and get you started. To combat self-doubt, practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, and setbacks are a natural part of the learning process. Section 4. Winning strategies from vision to action. Let's explore powerful strategies to supercharge your motivation and transform your approach to goals. One incredibly effective technique is visualization. Olympic athletes use it, and top performers in all fields swear by its power. Visualization involves creating a clear and vivid mental picture of yourself achieving your goal. Engage all your senses. Imagine what it feels like, smells like, sounds like to be living that success. This practice programs your subconscious mind for success. Another powerful tool is setting SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of vague goals like get healthier, a SMART goal would be exercise for 30 minutes, 3 times a week, for the next 3 months. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Design your surroundings to support your goals, and you'll be amazed by the results. Section 5. The Growth Mindset Advantage. Perhaps the most transformative hack of all is cultivating a growth mindset. This concept, developed by psychologist Carol Dweck, centers on the belief that our abilities are not fixed but can be developed through dedication and hard work. Individuals with a growth mindset embrace challenges as opportunities for learning and see effort as the path to mastery. They understand that setbacks are not failures, but rather stepping stones on the road to success. When you believe you can improve, you're more likely to persevere through difficulties and achieve at higher levels. Start by challenging your fixed mindset beliefs. Embrace the power of yet and watch your perspective shift from one of limitation to one of endless possibility. Section 6. Your action plan, from motivation to transformation. Let's recap the key motivation hacks that can transform your 2024 and beyond. First, remember that motivation is a skill you can cultivate, not a magical trait. Break down your goals into smaller steps, find an accountability partner, and celebrate your progress along the way. Combat procrastination with the 2-minute rule and silence self-doubt with self-compassion. Harness the power of visualization to program your subconscious mind for success and set SMART goals that provide clarity and direction. Cultivate a growth mindset, embracing challenges as opportunities for growth. Surround yourself with positivity and design an environment that supports your aspirations. Now it's your turn. Take these motivation hacks and put them into action. Section 7. Your transformation starts now. The power to unlock your potential is within you. By implementing these strategies, you can overcome obstacles, stay motivated, and achieve goals you once thought impossible. Share your experiences, challenges, and triumphs with the world. Let's inspire and support each other on this incredible journey of growth and achievement. Your transformation starts now.